Food is what keeps us going every day, but some foods can do more than just give us energy. In this video, we're going to talk about the foods that can help your body fight cancer. We'll explain the science in a simple way, showing how these foods can support your health. This isn't about miracle cures, but about understanding how a healthy diet can be a powerful part of your well-being. Let's look at the foods that can truly make a difference. Broccoli. This common vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's part of the cruciferous vegetable family, a group known for its health benefits. The main power in broccoli comes from a special substance that forms when you chew or cut it. Once this substance is in your body, it helps your cells function properly. It supports your body's natural systems that are responsible for cleaning out harmful substances. This helps clear them out before they can damage your body's blueprint, your DNA, but it does more. This substance can also directly interfere with the growth of cancer cells. It encourages them to stop dividing and can even signal them to destroy themselves. Science shows that eating these kinds of vegetables regularly can lower your risk for several cancers. So broccoli isn't just a side dish, it's a valuable part of a healthy diet. And you don't even need a lot. Just a few servings a week can start to make a difference. And it's not just broccoli. Other vegetables in the same family, like cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage, share these same beneficial abilities. So if broccoli isn't your thing, you still have options. Garlic. This small, sharp-tasting bulb has been used for its health properties for thousands of years. Its benefits come from a special substance that gives garlic its strong smell. This substance only forms when you crush or chop the garlic. Once it's in your body, it helps protect your cells by cleaning up harmful, unstable particles that can cause damage and lead to cancer. Studies show that the compounds in garlic can slow down the growth of tumors. It seems to be especially good at supporting the health of your stomach and intestines. Research shows that people who eat garlic often have a much lower risk of getting colon cancer. The effect of garlic is subtle but significant. It's not a one-time cure, but a helpful addition to your daily meals that helps your body stay healthy. It proves that sometimes the smallest things in your kitchen can have the biggest impact on your health, and you don't need to eat a whole bulb. Just adding a clove or two to your meals on a regular basis is enough to start getting these benefits over time. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they are nature's sweet treat. They're juicy and full of color. Those deep, rich colors are a sign of their health benefits. The natural pigments that make berries red and blue are special antioxidants. In your body, these compounds work to calm down irritation and stress, which can help prevent cancer from starting. Cancer cells need to build their own blood supply to grow. The colorful substances in berries can interfere with that process. They can stop tumors from getting the fuel they need, which limits their growth. They also slow down how fast cancer cells can multiply and encourage them to self-destruct. The great thing about berries is that all this comes in a delicious package. You don't have to force yourself to eat them. A handful of berries is a treat, but it's also an active step in supporting your health. Berries show that eating healthy doesn't have to be a chore. You can mix them into smoothies, eat them with breakfast, or just grab a handful straight from the fridge. Either way, your body benefits every single time. Turmeric. This bright yellow spice is famous in curry, but it's more than just a flavor. It's one of the most studied natural foods when it comes to cancer. The power in turmeric comes from the substance that makes it yellow, called curcumin. Curcumin is one of the best natural compounds for calming down irritation and swelling in the body. Long-term irritation is a major factor in why cancer can start and grow. By calming this down, curcumin makes it harder for cancer to develop. In lab studies, curcumin shows impressive results. It can slow down cancer growth and even cause cancer cells to die. It seems to interfere with the signals cancer cells use to survive. One of the most exciting things is that it can help regular cancer treatments work better. It can make cancer cells more responsive to chemo and radiation, while also helping to protect your healthy cells from damage. The only catch is that your body has a hard time absorbing it. But if you eat it with black pepper, your body can absorb it 2,000 times better. Turmeric isn't a miracle, but it's a beneficial spice that supports your body's health. You can add it to soups, rice dishes, or even a warm glass of milk. A small amount every day goes a long way in keeping your body healthy. Green tea. People in Asia have been drinking green tea for its health benefits for centuries. It's different from black tea because the leaves are steamed, which saves all the good stuff inside. The most important of these is a special antioxidant known as EGCG. In your body, EGCG works against cancer cells in clever ways. It can encourage cancer cells to destroy themselves. It also helps a special protein in your body that is responsible for your DNA's health. This protein's job is to find and fix any mistakes in your body's instruction manual. If a cell is too damaged, the protein tells it to die. Many cancers learn how to shut this protein down, but EGCG helps turn it back on. It also blocks the communication lines that cancer cells use to grow. Drinking a few cups of green tea a day is a simple habit. It's a calm ritual that also gives your body a steady supply of these protective substances. It has a gentle but powerful effect in the long run. And unlike many other health habits, this one is easy to stick with. It's warm, it's calming, and it's doing something good for your body with every single sip. Tomatoes. They're red, juicy, and in almost everything we eat. The deep red color of a ripe tomato comes from a substance called lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that cleans up harmful particles in your body. It's been linked to a lower risk of many cancers, but the connection to prostate cancer is the strongest. Studies show that men who eat a lot of tomatoes have a much lower risk of getting it. Some studies say up to 40% lower. What's really interesting is that lycopene becomes more powerful when it's cooked. So unlike other foods, cooked tomatoes are better for you than raw ones. That means tomato sauce and tomato paste are great sources. Lycopene also gets absorbed better with a little bit of fat, so adding some olive oil is a good idea. Tomatoes teach us that healthy doesn't always mean raw. Sometimes cooking unlocks a food's true power. It's a simple and delicious way to give your body extra support. Whether it's a pasta sauce, a soup, or just some roasted tomatoes on the side, you're getting a dose of these benefits with every bite. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other dark green leaves are nature's powerhouses. They don't have many calories, but they are packed with nutrients. They are full of antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. They also have a special vitamin that is crucial for repairing your body's instruction manual, your DNA. If your DNA has errors, it can lead to cancer. This vitamin helps keep your DNA code clean and correct. Leafy greens are also full of fiber. Fiber is key for a healthy gut. It helps keep your intestines clean and reduces the amount of time that harmful stuff stays in your body. This is why a diet with a lot of fiber is linked to a lower risk of colon cancer. It's easy to add these greens to your life. A handful of spinach in a smoothie or a salad for lunch are small changes with a big impact. Leafy greens are an essential part of a healthy diet, working behind the scenes to keep you strong. They are easy to find, cheap to buy, and incredibly flexible in how you can eat them. There's really no excuse not to include them. Mushrooms. They grow in the dark and seem mysterious, but they have unique health benefits. Mushrooms aren't plants or animals, they are fungi. Their cancer-fighting ability comes from special sugars that help your immune system. Instead of attacking cancer cells directly, they support your body's own natural functions. They activate your immune cells, which are the cells that look for and deal with invaders, including cancer cells. These special sugars make your immune cells more effective at their job. Certain types of mushrooms, like shiitake and reishi, are especially good at this. Mushrooms show us that fighting cancer isn't just about attacking bad cells, it's also about making your own body's system stronger. They support your internal functions so your body can better handle threats. It's a reminder that our own immune system is a powerful asset, and the right food can help it function well. And mushrooms are one of the easiest ways to give your body that support. You can add them to stir-fries, soups, salads, or just cook them as a simple side dish. Walnuts. They look like tiny brains, which might be a clue from nature about their benefits. Walnuts are special because they are full of healthy fats that calm down irritation in the body. Long-term irritation can help cancer grow, so anything that calms it down is a good thing. Walnuts also have other helpful plant compounds. In lab studies, substances from walnuts have been shown to slow down the growth of breast and prostate cancer cells. The benefit of a walnut is in the whole package. It's not just one thing, but a team of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants working together. A handful of walnuts is a small snack, but it's a smart move for your health. You can eat them on their own, add them to oatmeal, or toss them into a salad. They're easy to carry with you, and they don't need any preparation at all. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with two key nutrients, healthy omega-3 fats and vitamin D. These healthy fats are amazing at fighting swelling and irritation throughout your body. They help calm the kind of internal irritation that can help cancer grow. Vitamin D is also very important. Many people don't get enough of it. Low levels of vitamin D are linked to a higher risk of getting certain cancers, like colon and breast cancer. Vitamin D helps control how cells grow and can slow down the development of cancer cells. Eating fatty fish, a couple of times a week, is a direct way to get these two powerful nutrients, which are hard to find elsewhere. Fatty fish is more than just a meal. It's a targeted way to reduce the things that help cancer thrive. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are often seen as simple food, but they are incredibly powerful. Their main benefit is their high fiber content. One type of fiber helps clean out your intestines, reducing the time that bad stuff can cause harm. Another type of fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut. When these good bacteria are happy, they produce a substance that keeps your colon walls healthy and strong. This substance has even been shown to slow the growth of colon cancer cells in lab studies. So when you eat beans, you're not just feeding yourself, you're also supporting the good bacteria in your gut. A diet with plenty of legumes is strongly linked to a lower risk of colon cancer, which is one of the most common types. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are often overlooked, but switching from white bread and white rice to whole grains is a very effective change you can make. A whole grain still has all of its healthy parts. The outer layers contain most of the fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Just like with beans, this fiber is great for preventing colon cancer. But whole grains also have other plant compounds that act as antioxidants and calm irritation. Major studies show that people who eat the most whole grains have a much lower risk of getting colon cancer. Choosing whole grains is a simple swap in your daily meals. It's a choice to go from empty food to nutritious food. No single food is a magic bullet. The real power is in the pattern of your diet. Eating a wide variety of these healthy plant-based foods creates a support system in your body. It's about creating an environment where it's hard for cancer to grow, an environment that is full of antioxidants, low on irritation, and supported by a strong immune system. What you put on your plate every day is a choice. It's one of the most direct ways you can influence your health for the long term. Which of these foods do you already eat regularly? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more explanations on how to take your health into your own hands.